Alright guys, what to do YouTube? What to do everybody? If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right to the talking. I mean, I just got this bike probably 3 months, no, not 3 months ago, 3-4 weeks ago. Brought it to my job one day. First day I brought it to my job and she got hit. Yeah, but it was nothing was my fault. It does hurt to say that my bike was knocked over and shit like that, but like I don't know if you can see the seat, a fender. It looks like I don't even know the plastics. We'll say something underneath the seat plastics. I don't know if it has to change all this just because this was fucked up. They're gonna give me new frame sliders, new bar ends. I don't think there was any damage on this side other than in the plastics, because his bumper hit it by like a fucking big ass tractor. And then obviously the bar end when it came on this side, my Yoshi exhaust. I don't know if you can see that. The footrest, the frame slider obviously on this one, and my mirrors. I'll show you my mirrors. Obviously from it fell, scraped that. There's some damage right there. Hopefully you guys can see this with the GoPro. But yeah, she still sits really pretty. Still a beautiful bike. Just sad that someone actually hit it. Not even, you know, like I didn't even go down on it. Like I can see if I did some dumb shit or something, you know. But yeah, so let me show you the estimate actually. Show you guys a picture of this estimate. You guys are gonna be fucking shocked. I don't know what others, like all this shit that they wrote in here. But yeah, they got me for a lot of shit. Well, yeah, that's the estimate, and that's the story of my fall over. I mean, what happened, well all I know that happened was I was working on a truck. I was doing my job at my job. I was working, and a truck driver pulled right next to the bike. He parked next to it, and he parked next to the bike, and as he was backing out, I guess he forgot that it was there or something, and boop, hit it. So our baby to the channel has been hit, got fucked up, and yeah, this motherfucker's looking at me crazy. Fuck. Fucking nut-ass motherfuckers looking at me like I'm crazy. But yeah, so our baby was hit. I don't know what to name her yet. I've been thinking about what to name her. But I mean, that's all for this little story, I guess. Nothing, I'm not gonna drag it out or nothing. Like I say, if you're new here, hit the like button, comment in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. Boop, boop.